Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money online. I'll be showing you a site that you can use to get free 2 USDT on the platform. So kindly stay with me in this video and watch this video till the end, and also subscribe to this channel and like this video. So without wasting much time, I'll open my browser and show you the platform that I'm going to use for today's tutorial. So the platform is called vnwss.com, and this is a betting platform. This is a sports betting platform. You can use this platform to bet on football matches. So kindly watch this video till the end without skipping any part of this video, and I'll be showing you how I made this 2 USDT for free. This is the USDT I'm talking about. I made this for free without making any deposit into this platform. So kindly click on the link in the video description and sign up for an account. After you have created your account, you will get free 100 USDT as a registration bonus. After you have signed up for account, click on this USDT on the top left corner and select the free virtual 100 USDT. I've used that 100 USDT. That's why it's not showing up here. So after you have selected the 100 USDT registration bonus, you have to click on this anti-score. Then you have to click on these matches, any of the matches here. So you have to select one of the matches. And you have to make a prediction that it is not possible to come after the match. So I'll be showing you how you can make this free 100 USDT without making this free 2 USDT without making any deposit. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell while you are watching this video. So after you have clicked on the anti-score, you have to wait for it to load. And you have to select one of the matches, then you make your prediction on the match. So you have to select one of the matches, then you have to click on the first half. So make sure that you select any of these scores that it is not possible to come after the first half. So I'll advise you to select one with higher percentage. So let's say you are going to select the one with 17.59%, and you bet with all the 100 USDT bonus. So make sure you bet with the 100 USDT bonus. It's showing up 2 USDT because I'm having 2 USDT in my account. So after you have clicked on that, you have to click on the confirm. Then your order will be placed successfully. So you have to wait for the match. You have to wait for them to finish playing the match, or after the first half, you have to come back to the platform. You have to come back to this platform to check whether you won or you lose. So after you have successfully won your prediction, you have 9 more games. You have to place bet on 9 more games. You have to place bet on another 9 games, 9 different games. So after you have won all that game, the system will give you free 2 USDT in your account. So after you place the bet with all the 100 USDT and you won the game, you have to place another bet on other 9 games. So with the other 9 games, you have to select the first half and the predictions with low percentages. So after you have won all that 9 games, you will be credited with 2 USDT in your account. So I will be showing you how to withdraw. the 2 USDT on this platform. So guys, this is my account and I'm going to show how you can withdraw on this platform. So you have to click on your profile here, then you have to click on this marked you have to click on your profile, the marked button under your profile picture. So you have to click on that mark to complete your fish you complete your KYC. So you have to submit your ID card to complete your KYC. I have completed mine, that's why it's not showing up again. So after you have completed your KYC, you have to complete the 2FA. You have to download Google Authenticator to complete the 2FA. So after you have completed all this process, you have to go and copy your crypto wallet. You have to copy your crypto wallet to make your withdrawals. So I'll open my Binance and copy my USDT TRC20 wallet address to make the withdrawal on this platform. So I'm opening my Binance to copy my my USDT address, but I have to complete this security verification before I can able to get access to my Binance. So I'll open my portfolio and click on the deposit and click on the crypto and search for USDT. Then select the network, which is TRC20. Then I'll copy the wallet address and head on to the website again and click on the withdraw button. Let me go back, click on the withdraw button. So you have to select the network, which is TRC20. Then you have to paste your wallet address here. So after you have placed your wallet address there, you have to click on the amount that you want to withdraw, which is 2 USDT. So you have to select slow transaction. If you select fast transaction, they are going to deduct 1 USDT as a transaction fee. So you have to select slow transaction and click on the withdraw button. So after you have placed for withdrawal, you can take screenshot of this and message the customer service on Telegram to receive this 0.5 USDT after you have made your withdrawal. So you have to click on the withdraw button and open the Google Authenticator app to enter the PIN to make your withdrawal. So it says congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn 2 USDT. So you have to wait for some few minutes and the 2 USDT will be credited into your Binance account. So guys, this is how you can make money on this platform, and please kindly subscribe to this video, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and share this video.